Finding the right seating support can make a huge difference for comfort and posture. The best office chair for scoliosis offers ergonomic design, adjustable lumbar support, and balanced cushioning to promote spinal alignment, reduce strain, and enhance productivity throughout long working hours. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CAPOT Scoliosis Office Chair. The CAPOT Scoliosis Office Chair is built for exceptional comfort, stability, and ergonomic precision, making it ideal for those managing scoliosis or needing extra lumbar care during long workdays. With a micro-adjust lumbar support system offering 2 inches of movement across 8 levels, it aligns with the L1 to L5 region of the spine to ease lower back strain and distribute body weight evenly. Its sturdy design is BIFMA X5.1 certified, ensuring long-term durability, while the AeroVith Mesh seat keeps users cool and supported, reducing pelvic pressure by 20%. The large, breathable seat cushion provides ample space for comfort during hours of sitting, and the reliable SGS gas lift prevents accidental sinking, supporting up to 400 pounds. Adjustable head and back rests combined with wide flip-up armrests let you customize the chair to match your posture preferences throughout the day. Silent PU wheels glide smoothly on any surface without marking floors, while the 90-degree to 125-degree recline range offers flexibility between focused work and relaxed breaks. Designed for users between 5'5" and 6'2", the CAPOT chair delivers consistent ergonomic support, making it one of the most practical and dependable office chairs for spine health and long-term workplace comfort.
Number 2. Primy Scoliosis Office Chair. The Primy Scoliosis Office Chair offers outstanding ergonomic comfort and adaptability, making it a smart choice for anyone with scoliosis or posture-related concerns. Designed with a curved backrest that mirrors the natural spine shape, it includes adjustable lumbar support that relieves back tension during long sitting sessions. Its high-density foam cushion and breathable mesh back ensure airflow and softness, preventing overheating and discomfort. The 3-inch thick seat padding enhances comfort, while the cushion's edge design promotes better circulation in your legs. The adjustable drafting style and foot ring add versatility for different setups. Whether you're using a standing desk, a regular workstation, or even a bar height counter, the flip-up armrests save space and make the chair easy to slide under desks, while the 360-degree swivel and smooth casters enable effortless mobility. Built on a sturdy 5-claw base, it distributes weight evenly and moves quietly across surfaces. Combining ergonomic function with flexible use, the Primy chair supports both comfort and posture correction, reducing spinal stress while maintaining proper alignment. Whether for creative studios, home offices, or workstations, this chair delivers excellent adaptability and spinal care support, making it a dependable option for long daily use. Bryotech for assist.
Number 3. TRALT Scoliosis Office Chair. The TRALT Scoliosis Office Chair brings a thoughtful blend of comfort, stability, and ergonomic design to those managing back or spinal alignment issues. Its supportive construction focuses on relieving stress across the back, hips, and arms, encouraging healthy posture during long sitting periods. The spacious mesh seat ensures breathability and durability, while the adjustable tilt function, 90 degrees to 120 degrees, provides flexibility between upright and reclined sitting. Capable of supporting up to 330 pounds, this chair features a 5-point metal base that enhances balance and safety even during frequent movement. The 360-degree swivel mechanism allows seamless rotation, and the silent rolling casters make it easy to move across floors without scratches or noise. The TRALT chair's simple assembly process, requiring no extra tools, allows users to set it up in minutes. Its premium ergonomic structure ensures lumbar support that adapts to your posture, reducing fatigue from extended sitting. With reliable materials and a lifetime warranty, it represents both comfort and confidence in long-term use. Whether in an office or home workspace, this chair offers balanced support and smooth performance that help maintain spinal health and comfort throughout demanding work hours.
Number 4. SIHOO M18 Scoliosis Office Chair. The SIHOO M18 Scoliosis Office Chair is a premium ergonomic seating solution designed for people who require superior lumbar and posture support. With 4 key support points, head, back, hips, and hands, it provides comprehensive comfort that helps reduce back strain during extended sitting sessions. The adjustable lumbar support, headrest, and seat height allow users between 5'6" and 6'2" to achieve a customized ergonomic fit. Made with breathable mesh, the chair promotes ventilation to keep you cool and focused through long hours of work. Its sturdy build meets BIMFA safety standards and has passed a 1,136-kilogram static pressure test, ensuring strength and stability for users up to 150 kilograms. Easy to assemble in 8 steps, it combines practicality with performance. The chair's smooth tilt and supportive backrest reduce pressure points while promoting natural posture alignment, ideal for both home offices and professional environments. The SIHOO M18 also fits diverse roles, serving as an ergonomic office chair, computer chair, or gaming seat, providing consistent comfort in all settings.
Number 5. Amazon Basics Scoliosis Office Chair. The Amazon Basics Scoliosis Office Chair combines elegant style with functional comfort, making it a dependable option for individuals who need lumbar support throughout the workday. Upholstered in bonded leather, this executive-style chair exudes a professional appearance while providing soft cushioning for long sitting sessions. The 3D Insight lumbar system is its key feature, offering customizable back support that adapts to your preferred posture and reduces spinal tension. Adjustable height and tilt settings let users fine-tune their seating position for maximum comfort, while the flip-up armrests provide flexibility for both work and relaxation. A strong 5-point metallic base ensures stability, and oversized caster wheels allow smooth 360-degree movement across different flooring types. Designed for durability, it maintains its structural integrity through extended use while minimizing strain on the back and hips. The ergonomic profile supports the spine's natural curvature, making it suitable for those managing scoliosis or chronic back discomfort. Combining durability, easy adjustment, and premium aesthetics, the Amazon Basics chair delivers dependable ergonomic support for everyday office use, blending comfort and sophistication to enhance both productivity and posture in any workspace. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.